That is all capped. It's all brood, small babies. Look at that. This queen has been busy.
We just have my dad out here with his bees. He's got his bee hat on. We're gonna harvest the honey tomorrow. Hey, Dad!
Hi, Dad!
Say hi, Grandpa! Did you get all the trays out?
Yeah, I got everything out that I can get.
Oh, that side has the honey, and then the other side.
And that side's been spun.
Oh, wow.
That's
It
amazing.
smells like it's been cooking.
It tastes really good.
Well, it's that knife over there.
Oh, okay. Goes in the spinner. Spinning the honey. They spin it, all the honey falls down to the bottom, and then we'll get it out. This is kind of creepy. Here's the cute hive my mom made.
Probably 100,000 in there.
Are you gonna lift that up?
And so if you look at this, so now these bees, let me lift this one back up. Look at that.
Those are cool.
Oh, the bee!
He almost got caught in the wave.
He
It's
almost
going
died.
down in there, and then
Wait,
this
is that
little
one of your
drips
bees?
down there.
In the bees thing.
See how that one's not
This is the one I
And quite
posted
the
in
audience.
thing and showing the bees.
What'd you say?
The toothpaste is all gone.
A little drip system.
Why don't you talk?
It's a hot
This one
knife.
I'm
You
gonna
scraping the
talk
honey with.
Hold it while you eat it.
Mandy, I was showing them the honey in there.
Oh, so
Good job, Mom. Scraping the honey off. You can see it on the blade right there. Good job, Lola. She's spinning the trays so all the honey falls down to the bottom. Whoa! Scraping off the honey.
Hey, come here, buddy.
Now we know why honey is so expensive. So much work inside the bigger hive. Ooh, I'm kind of nervous over here. Wow.
Come look down into
They're
this side.
busy.
This is the one that.
Where? Whoa! There's so many. My mom's famous bread with honey. Ooh.
No, it's just coming off
Oh, baby. Looks good.
Betty Crocker over there. What's up?
Uh-huh. Honey, honey. Not yet. Honey, honey.
Have you seen it, Mom? Yeah.